Hi everyone! In this video, I'm completing an old sketch from my sketchbook. Well, I started this one last year and totally forgot about it. I've bought new sketchbooks since then, but I can't start them while the old ones are still unfinished. So today we're finishing this particular work. You can see that it is the basal view of human skull. If you saw the flip through at the beginning, those pages show Loomis' method, and in these head drawings, I practiced building the head from a sphere, working out different angles. It is a really useful practice for anyone learning to draw. But I also believe that studying the actual skull, the bones and their shapes, how they fit together, that's what really makes your portraits feel real and believable. And if you work in 3D like I do, it makes a huge difference in your sculpts too. The drawing I'm completing over here is the basal view, as I already mentioned. And basically, you're looking at the skull from underneath. Well, it's a kind of complex angle and not so popular because most of the reference images you find online are either front or side views. However, this makes a huge difference in understanding the overall shape of the skull. And especially when the head is tilted backward, you can imagine how the face looks like. So I definitely recommend studying all the angles and sides of human skull, not just the front and side views. As you see, I'm using a mechanical pencil throughout completion of the process, and a kneaded eraser for lifting pigments from time to time to give that 3D look, and mechanical eraser, which comes really handy, especially at the end when you want to just show the lightest areas, and also the blending stump. You can also use your fingers or cotton swab if you want. There are many different ways that you can smudge the colors and the pigments and, create that realistic looking soft shades. Another interesting thing I always notice while drawing a skull is the asymmetrical shape of it. It's really fascinating, isn't it? Our bone structure is naturally asymmetrical. In fact, our brain immediately detects something to be off when a human face or head is perfectly symmetrical, whether it is a real-life sculpture or a digital one. And that's exactly why studying the real thing matters.